Hello, how are you today? In this video, we are going to be doing a Funimate tour, an editing tour. So let's go on ahead and click on Funimate. Hi, I'm Ariane on Funimate, and let's go on with the tour. I will be using a single photo as an example since it's not an editing video. I'm just gonna adjust the photo so you can see the results of each effect, like the size and the background color. Let's pick blue since it's clouds. I just made the photo longer so I can do more editing stuff to it. When you edit a video on Funimate or a photo, this will be the whole setup, so go on ahead and click on animate. We're just gonna be exploring custom since it has all those fancy editing. When you click on custom, you will see 5 different options: position, opacity, scale, rotate, anchor. We're just going to be exploring the first 4 since the anchor doesn't really do anything. When you click on position on top of the rotate, you will see that straight line. And you will see some squiggly lines, curved lines. All it is the timing and direction of your photo or video. That red diamond tells you where your starting points are. I dragged the photo down so you guys can see the results of each effect. When you click on that curvy S, you will see the dots change above. As you can see, there are more dots grouped in the middle, and that basically means that it will stop in that area. And that's the squiggly curvy S one. Now let's try a different one. Let's try the one next to it. This time the dots are not grouped in the middle, instead they're grouped at the very end. I just slowed it down for you to see the effect better. I'm just gonna stop there for now and not spoil any of the good stuff for you and let you explore the rest of it. Now we are going to be exploring the effect above scale, and you will see 2 options, linear or smooth. So we're going to be trying out linear first, and linear is basically a line, and smooth curves that line out. So the one going vertically up and down is linear, and the other one is smooth. Now the 4 arrows pointing left to right, up and down doesn't really do anything, in my opinion anyway, so we're going to skip that and move on to opacity. Opacity ranges from 0 to 100, 0 being nothing, 100 being a solid picture. So let's go ahead and add our second starting point. If you didn't know this, to add a second or first starting point, you can click on that diamond above anchor. Let's go ahead and start on our second starting point and put it at 42. Also, make sure your starting point is at 100%. Let's add a third point and put the opacity back to 100. This will be the result. If you want it to go faster, you can put the diamonds closer. Now there's that straight line above rotate again, and in my opinion, those doesn't really do anything for your video. If you're wondering what that diamond with an arrow by the play button are, those are just to help you move from a point to another. Now let's move on to scale. I think the range goes from 0 to 800, I'm not sure, but 0 being the smallest and 800 being the biggest or closest. I went ahead and placed it at normal scale, which is 79 or 80, and then I added my second point. On my second diamond, I reduced the scale down to 17, so it goes from big to small. Now let's add a third point to see the results better. And I placed it at normal scale again, which is 79. And that is how you use scale. Let's go and move on to rotate. This rotation can do a full circle, so it can go from 0 to 360. Now when you reach 360, it actually goes back to 0, except it's going to have like a negative 1x or 1x on top, depending on which way you are going, left or right. I went ahead and did 2 full circles, and this is the result. It goes pretty fast, so the higher the number is by your x, the faster your spin will go. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Also, if some parts of the video did not make sense, please comment down below for future improvements. Thank you, bye!